Thank you for watching eShipper Weekly. Today we're going to look at how to save presets for package types. Now when you're on the main eShipper page and you're going to ship a package, you have the dimensions and weight that you usually input. Today we're going to go to My Account and hit My Packages. And then you can add an entry. So all those packages that you're sending on a regular basis, you can put in here. So I'm going to put in microphone as a package name. Package description, I'm going to skip for now. Length, I'll do a 12 by 12 by 8 here. And then weight, 5 pounds. So I'm going to save that, and you're going to see that this is inputted in here. This will save, so next time you can go and auto-populate all that information. Package description, I'm just going to put in blue, just like the mic I'm using right here today. So when I go back to ship, I can scroll down to dimensions and weight here. You'll see custom packages. Now you click select, and then you'll see options there. I clicked the one I saved there, microphone, and it auto-populated all the dimensions and weight and the description, so you don't have to remember and go look up all this information next time. Thank you for watching eShipper Weekly. I hope this tip helped today. Take care.